Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got our gesture navigation option. Before we will actually set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer about the order of the navigations. Basically here you've got the options thanks to which you can customize the buttons. So for example you can reorder them, the back button and the recents, to be specific, and you can pick the icon style, so you can choose this kind of old school icon style or this newer one. It's up to you, of course. Alright, so let's first of all set the gestures. We have to tap on this option, and as you can see immediately the three buttons will disappear. Instead we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. Of course here you've got the animation, however I'll show you how to use them. It's of course up to you whether you want to use this line or not. You can hide this bottom bar, and I will do it. I prefer this kind of clean look. You can decide whether you want to swipe horizontally to switch between apps. Up to you again. The gesture navigation tutorial, so you can always go through it and learn how to use the gestures, and here you can decide whether you want to swing to bring up the digital assistant. As I said, up to you, and right now we can actually focus on the usage of the gestures. So if you want to get back to the previous page just by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and just like that. You can do it from the left and from the right side because it works the same. So if you will see this arrow, just release the finger, and as you can see we will go back. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be quite fast and short motion. Just like that. As you can see we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents you have to repeat the motion, however it should be longer, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.